Hey guys, how you doing? This is former Liberty Graphic Designs, and today we're going to be checking out this laser, so don't go anywhere. So I bought this laser about a year ago, and it's just been sitting outside under a tarp. And it's dirty. This is exactly how I bought it. I mean, it was like really bad, in really bad state. I bought it off one of those storage, one of those storage places. It was really cheap, very cheap, but the laser is busted. The bed is actually tilted to the side, but the laser is brand new. Like, you can tell the laser was never fired. It was never, like, they never used it. Let me show you real quick. Okay, let me get this stuff out of the way so you can see the actual honeycomb. And you can tell that this laser was never used, never. There's the compressor, and this is the water chiller. Okay, so right there, you can tell the honeycomb is completely new. It's like practically new. You cannot see any spots where the laser was fired. Like, even if I take I don't think I can get to it. Let me see. So if I take the honeycomb, you look at the other side, it's completely new. It's new. I mean, the laser was never fired. So I was like, hey, it was cheap enough to where I can buy it, and if it doesn't work, then I was like, I don't lose that much money. But the unit does power on. Let me put this back. Again, the laser tube, it doesn't work. They busted that out. I guess they were moving it and they shattered the tube. So I bought a new tube. I have a new tube for the laser, and I also bought the mirrors, because you can tell the mirrors are completely gone. They're not good. They never, I guess I just need to replace them. So that's what we're going to be doing, not in this video alone, because it's going to be a lot of work. Because right now what I need to do, let me move this back. What I need to do is, if you notice the bed, it's actually, it looks like if it fallen on this side. This side is all the way up, but on this side is down about 1.5 inches. So I have to go in there, and as a matter of fact, let me take this off, because I don't need it right now. So I'm gonna have to raise. There's a couple of screws right here where I'm gonna have to raise this bed until it's nice and level it off, right? This is a Fullspectrum, the name brand Fullspectrum laser, which is a good thing. It's a nice brand, and we're gonna get it working again. I don't know if I'm gonna keep it. I might sell it, because I'm not gonna have any use for it. I have one that is bigger than this. This is a 30 by 40. It's a nice size. So let me show you around so you can see the entire unit. Again, it's dirty, but it's new. So here we go, so you can see it. There's the brand Fullspectrum. And again, as you can see, it's dirty. This is the bed that I just took out, the honeycomb. I'm gonna have to get new keys, because when I bought it, there was no keys for it, especially this one. But I can make it work. Like, I can turn this one, and I can make the unit work. Everything is here. Let me see if I can open this door so you can see. This is where the laser tube is supposed to be. I bought new brackets for the one that I bought, but because the laser that I bought, the laser tube is too skinny, it doesn't work. And then those brackets did not work, so I had to buy new ones. But here's the back of the laser. I'm gonna take it apart, fix the bed. The first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try to fix the bed. So I'm gonna take this apart. I gotta find a way to open it, because these are the keys for for this laser, right? For the Confide laser. But I don't have none of the keys for this. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna have to make some keys so I can open these doors. And that way I can get in it, clean it real good, install the new laser. I'm gonna have to take the little power switch off. So again, so I can buy another one, either buy another one or see if I can have, you know, whoever makes keys, have them make a key. I'm gonna try to do that. That'd be nice if I can get somebody to make a key. So I don't have to do anything, just to, I don't know, maybe take one of these off and take this one off, take it to get another key made. But now let me see if I can get it open somehow so I can get in there and raise this bed. I think I'm gonna put this back in there so it's not in my way. And there you go. Now I gotta find a way to open this up, because again, my keys don't work. Don't even go in there. but this is the one for the Com5 laser. I guess I'm gonna have to find a way to get it open. That way I can get in there, replace whatever needs to be replaced. Like for example, the mirrors. The mirrors is easy because I can get to them. That's not a problem. I have new mirrors for them. So I bought the mirrors, and I bought a lens just in case if I need it. I don't think I'm gonna need the lens. I won't be able to find out until I get the unit up and running, and so we can fire it and find out if I need a lens or not. But for now, let's find out how to open this thing. Let me get a screwdriver. Okay, so I got that door open, and I'm gonna get one of those little key, I want to get one of these locks out. So this is what I was talking about. I took one of these locks out. I want to see if they can make a key for this. That would be great if they can make a key. That way I just make a key and it works on all of them. The only one that's going to be different is this one, which is the power, and I have to get this out. Let me see. So here's the one for the power. Hopefully that'd be great if they can make a key for this. That would be great. That's how new it is. Look, they never took the little piece for the key. But yeah, if they can make a key that fits, actually a key for this one and a key for this one, that'd be great. That way I don't have to buy another little deal like this. Or if I can buy another one like this, that'd be great. The only thing is that I'm gonna have to wait for this one to come in. And this ones, we can just buy them at a hardware store. This is not a big deal. We can buy them, again, not a big deal. They're very common. Not this one though. This one is, I never seen this one before, so, but you never know. I'm gonna go and see if I can find this too. First, I'm gonna go to a place where I can see if I can get the key. If not, I'm gonna go try to buy them, plug it back in so I can get the laser up and running, and we're gonna be back in business. The one on this door, it actually has the key in it. They broke it off because I was trying to put my key, one of my keys in there to see if I can get it to open, but I can see something in it, and the key is stuck inside the lock. See, this one has a key stuck inside of it. I wonder if I can get it out. Maybe if I can get it out, it'll be easier for them, because all I had to do is just use the screwdriver, and because the key is inside of it, it opened very easy. See? Yeah, now I can actually get in here and level the bed. Probably gonna be easier than I thought. Let me show you this. It's actually easier than I thought. So I can actually just move the belt, and can you see the bed moving? So yeah, that was pretty easy. Let me show you. So this is all I'm doing right here. I'm grabbing this belt, pulling this belt, and that's moving the bed up. And put it right here so you guys can see the bed going up. And that's it. bed is all the way up. So now it looks flush right there and over there. So looks like we're good on that. So that was easy. I was able to get the piece of, let me see if you can see it. There you go. I was able to get the piece of key that was stuck inside that other lock mechanism. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna stick it on the other ones and see if it opens. Okay, so now we're gonna be doing some MacGyver stuff. Some of you don't even know what MacGyver is or who MacGyver is. Hey, look at that. It actually worked. That's pretty cool. So there's the all the good stuff for the laser. And see, everything looks good. Nice, very nice. Wouldn't it be cool if I was able to find the set of keys in here? That'd be awesome if I can find a set of keys in here. And now I gotta get the key off of here, right? So I can use it on the other ones. But I have to get it out. I have to get this out. Okay, so I have to unscrew this so I can get the key out. Because right now the key is stuck inside of there. So all I gotta do is just push it out. And see, it's sticking out right there. Right there. So I'm gonna do the same thing in here. I'm gonna put that piece of key in there. And hopefully it'll unlock. And then with the piece of key in there, just get my screwdriver and there you go. I need to clean it, it's really dirty. I couldn't get the inside or the mechanism out because I was gonna try to swap it for this one. But since I can, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go take the little piece of key that I have, try to make a key for this one, that way I can open the doors and stuff. And I'm gonna see if I can try to get one of these made or a key made for this one. And even if that's the case where I can have one of these made with the same key as this one and they just insert it in the one for the power and we'll be set to go. Hopefully, I don't know, I'm not a locksmith. So that's what I'm gonna do. So this is gonna be it for this video, guys. Stay tuned because we're gonna go through the entire thing of refurbishing this laser and get it back and running like it's supposed to be running. So again, stay tuned. It was a pleasure making this video. It's gonna be another maybe 3 or 4 more videos till we get it back up and running. Hopefully another one, at least another 1 or 2. But yeah, stay tuned. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching. This is gonna be it for this one. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do so. And ding the bell so you get notifications whenever I upload new videos. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching. I will catch you on the next one. Bye bye now. God bless you. And I will see you later. In the next video, we're gonna see if I was able to make keys, but this is gonna get back and running. Thank you guys. Bye bye. Adios now. God bless you.